Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you how to know all devices logging into your Facebook Messenger account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Facebook Messenger app. So I'm going to simply click on here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on this three slider. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on here, this setting icon. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to Account Center. So click on Account Center. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Password and Security. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on where you are logged in. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do, if you have a multiple Facebook account or Instagram account right here, what you need to do is to simply select on the Facebook account that you want to track. So I'm going to select this one right here, just like so, and you have everything right here. Now you will have all the login activities you have on your Facebook account, whether on PC or on the mobile, whether Android or iPhone. So if you take note of any suspicious device that you are not recognized right here, so the next thing you need to do is to simply select the device and log them out without any stress. It's as simple as that. And this is how to know all devices logging into your Facebook account and Facebook Messenger app without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Facebook topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.